This braised boneless chicken with shiitake mushrooms is tender, juicy, and super tasty. Chicken chunks, add rice wine, ginger slices, white ground pepper, salt, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, a little sugar, and 1 spoonful of cornstarch. Mix well, spray a thin layer of oil on the surface, and marinate for 30 minutes. Heat the oil in a wok. Add the marinated chicken. Fry over medium heat until one side turns golden. Then flip to fry the other side golden. Remove and set aside. Add minced garlic and scallions, then stir fry until fragrant. Add sliced fresh shiitake mushrooms. Stir fry quickly for 1 minute. Put in the fried chicken and sliced green onions. Stir fry rapidly over high heat. Pour in the pre-mixed sauce. Cover and simmer over low heat for 3 minutes. Turn to high heat to thicken the sauce. Sprinkle with fresh chopped scallions, then serve and enjoy.